Kiwi Scrub. The ETHOS Kiwi Scrub is a totally new product. It's a cuticle removing scrub for all nail types. It has the same purpose as cuticle remover, but it is much softer and healthier for the nail plate, and it will replace cuticle remover. There is actually no kiwi in Kiwi Scrub, but it has the fragrance and the kiwi color. Kiwi Scrub comes with a dropper for hygienic purposes, but if you find it hard to use, there's always the option of buying and using a brush. During wet preparation, after polish or gel removal, apply 1 drop of Kiwi Scrub onto each fingernail. Rub in circular movements with firm pressure to exfoliate. Kiwi Scrub contains a lot of goodness like vitamin C and E, but it's the passion fruit seed powder that exfoliates to soften and remove dull and dead skin. Use the cuticle pusher to gently push the softened cuticle back to remove the loosened cells from the nail plate. During the exfoliation process, the root extract and special seed oils will keep the nail from dehydrating, but they do leave a fair amount of oil on the nail plate. So wash thoroughly with warm water and a soft nail brush to remove all traces of oil before proceeding with a manicure or gel overlay.